Did you know that PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 can transcribe your words as you present and display them on screen as captions? It's true. Welcome back to Kanzen class, where we show you how to power up your presentations. Today we're discussing a groundbreaking new feature in PowerPoint that I'm sure you'd wish you'd known before: real-time captions and subtitles. This incredible new feature is not only a game changer for accessibility, but also reaching worldwide audiences with multiple languages. Imagine you're giving a presentation and your words are automatically transcribed and displayed as captions in real time. This feature is a game changer for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, as it provides them access to the spoken word content of your presentation. But that's not all. PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 can translate your words into subtitles in another language. This tool is incredibly useful for reaching audiences who may be more comfortable in another language, breaking down language barriers and making your presentation accessible to a global audience. So how do you use this amazing feature? It's simple. Just open up your PowerPoint presentation, go to the Slideshow tab and select Always Use Subtitles. From there, you can choose to display captions in the same language you're speaking, or translate them into another language. With real-time captions and subtitles, you can make your presentations more inclusive and accessible to everyone. Whether you're presenting to a diverse audience or accommodating individuals with specific needs, this feature empowers you to deliver your message effectively. Don't forget that Kanzen Design can help you with all of your PowerPoint needs. Visit our website to find out more. Until next time, happy presenting.